Hello, Leela from mzlelapinkjourney. Just giving a quick visual on how to know that you have enthusiast product installed on your computer after you've added the serial number, after purchasing the enthusiast portion of the Embrilliance software. Some have been looking for a download, an actual download, or an icon of some sort to know that they have it, not realizing that they actually already have it downloaded. I believe this little thingamajig might be the icon for enthusiasts because it allows you to do stitch editing and things like that, that little icon. I don't use it much. I'm going to learn it one day. What I do know is when I click on my lettering, I'm going to go to select all to click my lettering. I'm going to show you what the Embrilliance platform tells you about stitch artists, the different things you can do, stitch editing and multiple hooping, basting stitch, basting hoop, precise position, which is right here. I believe if I did not have Enthusiast installed, I wouldn't see these icons. This is what helps me to know that I have Enthusiast installed. I do have Stitch Artist 1, so I don't know if some of the different icons here or buttons overlap, but I do know that if I have Embrilliance Enthusiast, I should be able to see this precise position. I'd be confused not knowing if I have it downloaded, but I have it downloaded. I have what they're telling me I should have here. The Mirror X4 is under the utility file here. If you click on mirror, you see how it mirrored my design. I'm going to undo that. Click OK first and undo that. Also, it has instant repeat. I'm just going down the list here on the actual. I went over to, tell you where I am, over in the Embrilliance software, over to the Embrilliance page where I purchased the software, clicked on Enthusiast, and it'll tell you the different things Enthusiast has included. So here's a little list with the description and the specs. With Enthusiast, I know I should be able to do the knockdown stitches. If I don't have to look for an actual download or anything, because once I put in a serial number, I should be able to do different things that the Enthusiast portion of the Embrilliance software told me I can do. So with this highlighted, it tells me I can do automatic knockdown stitches. I should be able to go over to, let me make sure I'm in Embrilliance. Under utility, add knockdown stitching and click OK. And there's my knockdown stitching if I wanted to have knockdown stitching applied behind Happy New Year. That tells me that I do have the Embrilliance Enthusiast portion. Let me undo that. It tells me I can do stitch editing, which is what I showed you here. I'm not even going to click on it. It tells me I can baste the hoop. Let me make a smaller hoop here so that I can show you. It's already smaller, so 5.5. Okay. If I go under utility and baste hoop, click that, it'll show that the hoop is based. You can barely see it. Let me make this a little smaller. There you go. It is hoop. It's based here. Having a hard time making it a little smaller because I'm recording the screen. But anyway, it's there. If I didn't have this enthusiast portion, then I shouldn't be able to see these different pieces here. So I didn't look for a download after I downloaded it. I didn't look for a download after I added my serial numbers. I just knew that I should be able to do some of the different functions that it told me I should be able to do. So I should also be able to do instant repeat, which if I go to the utility box, go down to instant repeat, click on that. And maybe I want to do 3 or 4 down. See, it gave me more. And across, it will give me more. And let's cancel. So we know that we have that. You can do Caruso, scatter, and many of the save as PNG is really nice too when I want to actual look at something up, actual image of what I have on the screen. So that's how I know about when I'm using, I actually have the Enthusiast software portion of Embrilliance downloaded on my computer. So if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I don't know a whole lot about the Embrilliance software, but I'm learning. So thank you very much. If this video has helped you at all, please go ahead and like and subscribe to help me to have the ability to upload more videos. Have a great day.